Let's go everyone, welcome back to Rise or Invest. I'm so happy to be back on the channel. The market is crashing and I think that this is a golden opportunity for you to re-enter our AI leaders over here. Now, this was a move that we actually called over here on the channel, and I gave this sell signal to my premium group members as well. If you were following the channel, I was talking about Bitcoin and S&P 500 as well as the entire stock market having a massive crash coming up very soon, and this was exactly what I called and what I predicted. And for the premium group members, you guys know exactly why I was so bearish on the market. And we saw that the entire market broke down within the past 1 or 2 days. The reason is because we saw that there was a Class A bearish divergence forming on the daily time frame. So a Class A bearish divergence is when there's higher highs on the price action over here and lower highs on the RSI. We saw that the MACD signal actually crossed below the signal line and the histogram over here turned bearish. This is a very bearish move, and usually what this means is that the market is overextended and that the price of the market is going to start plummeting down until the RSI actually resets. So I want to show you guys in the history of S&P 500, you can actually see that there are multiple instances where we have higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI. We have here another Class A bearish divergence. The market crashed 10% before the RSI actually reset over here. Back over here as well, higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI. The market crashed 21.63% before the RSI actually reset over here and the market made a move towards the upside. Over here as well, higher highs on the daily time frame, lower highs on the RSI. The market crashed about 10.84%. So what I'm trying to tell you guys at this point in time is that we are at the very beginning of this market crash. And within the next 1 or 2 weeks, you're going to see that the S&P 500 is going to draw down even more until this RSI actually resets. What we're actually looking out for over here is to enter a few of these stocks, especially the AI stocks that I believe will bring about a lot of profit. For those of you who are part of the premium group, we were entering a lot of these stocks, things like Nibius, things like Micron Technology, things like Ping, things like Cyrus, things that actually gone up pretty much 5x to 10x already. And for those of you who are thinking, hey, Raizo, have I missed out on this entire AI rally? The answer to you is that you have not missed out, but I think that this is going to be a generational opportunity for you to build generational wealth. The reason is because as the S&P 500 actually draws down, you're going to see a few of these stocks start to draw down as well, and you're already seeing it on things like Micron Technology over here. And in fact, you can see that the high of Micron Technology was around $1,091. Currently it's trading at $864 over here. And many of you were asking me, Raizo, you entered at such a low price over here and it was already at $800, $900, $1,000. Can I enter Micron? Of course, overall, I already gave the thesis. Micron is a $5 trillion company by 2030. But this retracement for you is a very good opportunity for you to buy Micron. Obviously, as I explained, the market is going to crash even more. This is because the S&P 500 has not played out its entire Class A bearish divergence. And I explained to you guys that eventually it will bottom out. For my premium group members, I'll be giving you guys the exact buy. But for those of you who are here on the channel, I just want to explain to you to look out for the Fibonacci levels. A few things are the 0.236, 0.382 and the 0.5 level. I feel that you can probably ladder in your buys over here. Obviously, it's not going to feel very comfortable because the market is going to crash even more. And if we do crash the 0.618 level, which is about $600, that is a good buy. For how are you going to exactly enter this move is that you need to time it with the S&P 500, right? You need to wait and watch for this entire Class A bearish divergence to play out. You need to look out for certain signals, including the volume, the momentum, looking out for any bullish divergences, and looking out for the MACD as well. For my premium group members, do not worry, I'll be giving you guys the exact buy. I'll be telling you guys exactly what AI leader stocks to buy to earn a lot of money within the next run-up of the bull market. Other things you should be looking out for are things like AMD as well, currently trading at $466. All these AI stocks over here, including SanDisk over here, are going to start to reset, right? And these are just the beginning of the entire AI run itself. AI still has a lot of things to build. All these are bottlenecks towards the entire AI infrastructure itself. So you want to be watching for a retracement of these stocks and you want to enter these stocks. Again, for people who are also wanting to have higher multiples, the other thing to actually consider is actually Bitcoin right here. I explained previously that Bitcoin was following a Wyckoff accumulation over here, and in fact, I predicted this pretty much 100%. You go ahead to my channel, watch this video over here 2 weeks ago, and I said I called this Bitcoin crash, and I updated over here 3 days ago and 2 days ago, and essentially it was because there was this Wyckoff accumulation forming over here at phase A and phase B, and I explained that the entire Bitcoin market was pretty much in this accumulation phase, and when we hit this secondary test, we actually rallied towards the upside. Everyone was getting very bullish, but I was telling them that Bitcoin was about to crash. You can see this video right here 2 weeks ago. I said that Bitcoin is about to crash, and what occurred is that we actually followed the phase B of the Wyckoff accumulation, where there's another secondary test in phase B, actually drawing the liquidity from the area below the previous support line. And you can see this is exactly what occurred on Bitcoin itself. This was the level of support over here at 62k, and this was the selling climax. What actually occurred, or what is occurring at this point in time, is that the price action is breaking through this level of support in order to have another secondary test in phase B, and there's a good possibility that it can actually go down even more in order to grab this liquidity. And what will occur after that is that it will consolidate, it will move back into the range, consolidate before a breakup, a sign of strength over here, the last point of support, and then it will start to break up towards a new all-time high. So definitely I feel that Bitcoin is going to bottom out very soon, but it's definitely going to consolidate a bit more. For my premium group members, I think we'll definitely be focusing a bit on the AI stocks within the next 2 weeks. I'm actually looking at a few core positions over here, things like CoreWeave, things like Micron Technology, things like Nibius over here, things like Cyber Semiconductor. We'll be looking at all these charts, and we'll be monitoring the situation together with the S&P 500. And once these levels are favorable, and once the S&P 500 has shown signs of actually bottoming out, we're going to re-enter all these stocks, and we're going to earn a lot of money. All right, so definitely pay attention to the AI winners. If you are holding on to AI, trim your stocks, but definitely hold and keep them because they're still winners, and they're definitely going to make us a lot of money in the next run up. Okay, this is not the end of the bull market. This is a drawdown from a Class A bearish divergence on the S&P 500, and we still have a lot of room to go. Now, again, if you guys have any questions, do drop it in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to be part of the premium group where I tell you guys exactly what to buy, exactly when to sell, and I give you guys the entire market analysis, you can join down below today at rizoinvest.com. You'll be trading and investing with myself, Rizo Invest, and again, my profits show what I'm capable of. I showed you guys my live trades before, and you have full access to my 100x watch list, the bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle, where you can pretty much ask me questions 24/7. And again, all my premium group members, they're able to ask me any question at any point in time, and I'll give them my thoughts, my views, which is unedited, and I'll give them my sincere, honest views as to what I think about the stock and what I think about the market, so that you can make a good decision for yourself. Okay, this is a life-changing opportunity for you, so do join the group if you want to be part of the Rizo Research Academy right here. That'll be all for today's video, and as always, invest safe.